In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we just can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're trying to serve you and our local marketplace. We like to show the customer and the world that we appreciate what they say about us. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.